eagles, but there's cars coming, so I need to move. Okay, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6 eagles over there. Down here we have ducks. Lots of ducks and geese. And way down here we have pelicans, because why not? It's Kansas and there's snow on the ground and it's like 20 degrees. Not sure of the wind chill, but yes, we have pelicans because we can. This is the closest I can get without getting out of the car, and I am not doing that. Oh, that's a good picture. Look at that. Alright, let's go get some more. There we have an eagle on my right, and there's the picture of the river and ducks. There's eagles on the other side. There's eagles all over the place. The zoom isn't letting me zoom right now without it getting blurry, so oh, see, there we go. It's blurry. Let me go find another way to get this. Anyway. There we go.